Hi Barbie doors! I'm AZUSA Barbie, Barbie lover in West Hollywood. Thanks for watching my video. Today's video is DIY. Recently I painted kitchen tile and it came out really good, like it's super cute. So I want to paint more tiles which is in my bathroom and also the doorway. I want to do like a Barbie pink and white checkered. I don't know how it's gonna be like, but remember? Don't ask Ken. We can do this Barbie doors. Let's do it. So here it's my bathroom. I know there are like, it's pretty much Barbie, right? I love my bathroom. But here, you see it? The tiles are all white. Also, I really want to get a little this ugly rug. So I'm gonna paint these tiles. And also here, you see. So I'm gonna start paint with this foam brush, and the color I use Beauty Queen. I just love painting. I need to start painting from the edge because if I start painting from the center, I wouldn't have any spot for stepping, you know. Look, it looks so much fun. I love it already. So far, it looks so good. I will let it dry and we'll paint the second coat. Now I paint this area, same color. Look doors, are you ready? This is the loveliest bathroom. And also here. Now it's all Barbie pink checkered. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you like my video, subscribe my channel and follow me on Instagram. Hope you have a fantastic Barbie day. Bye.